dance is called a summer breeze. It's a 32 count, 4 waltz, no tag and no restart, and it's a high beginner level line dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1, starting with your right foot, step your right forward, point left to left, step your left back, point right to right, do a jazz box cross, cross, back, side, cross. Section 1 with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, step your right to the side, side, together, side, chassé, rock, left over right, rock, recover, chassé to the left, side, together, side. Section 2 with a count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third section, walk diagonal, facing 10-30, walk right, left, right shuffle, forward together, forward, rock your left forward, recover, make a half turn to your left, forward, shuffle. Section 3 with a count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You are now facing 4:30. Last section, walk right, left, forward shuffle, rock left, forward, recover, make a 1-8 to your left with a side chassé, side together, side. Last section with a count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you end your dance here for wall 1. Wall 2 will start at 3 o'clock. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.